Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Tina Paraan.
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
Okay, are you married or single?
Married, ma'am.
Okay, does your husband know that you're applying for Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have one children.
Okay, is a boy or girl?
Girl.
Okay, how old are she?
She's 12 years old.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have experience to work as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. In the Philippines.
For how many years?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Taking care of children and cleaning the house, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work in Malaysia?
To save my money to my future and my children.
Okay, did you get permission to your husband to work in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I keep myself to busy my work.
Okay. Do you think the work as domestic helper is easy or difficult?
Easy, ma'am, because I know my work. Difficult because I'm away my family.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Okay, if your employer will need you to do cooking and he will teach you, are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have experience in taking care of children, including baby born?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid in animals like dog?
Yes, ma'am. Very big dog.
Okay, are you willing to work in a big house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to work there without using your cell phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how will you prove to your employer that you are a good helper?
Because I'm honest and hard-working person.
Okay, speaking of honest, how will you show to your employer that you are honest person?
I will see the money in the house I will back to my employer.
Okay, what can you promise to your future employer?
I promise to finish my contract with the employer and do my duties and responsibility. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.